Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to become an Amazon product reviewer. First, go to amazon.com and click sign in at the top right. Log in with your existing account or create a new one by following the prompts. Once you're logged in, it's time to work on becoming an Amazon product tester. Start by building a strong reviewer profile. Focus on writing quality reviews, detailed, honest, and helpful to other buyers. Share real experiences, mention both pros and cons, and make your feedback clear and useful. Stay active and consistent. Respond to comments, answer questions, and post reviews regularly. Amazon tracks your review quality and engagement, which helps improve your reviewer rank. If you have expertise in specific areas like electronics or fashion, focus your reviews there. This helps your profile stand out. Lastly, aim for Amazon Vine, an invite-only program for top reviewers who get free products in exchange for honest reviews. There's no guaranteed way in, but consistent, high-quality reviews can greatly increase your chances. That's it. With patience and effort, you can build your reputation and become a trusted Amazon product reviewer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.